Hello everyone. So today I was looking at one comment on my channel, and the question was about how to update a cascading select list using a post function. And I have covered this, or actually I should say I have covered something similar in my previous Jira automation videos, but this is something that has nothing to do with Jira automation, or I should say it is not directly related to the automation. And let me explain what I'm trying to do here. So if you open any issue in your Jira instance where you have a cascading select list, so cascading select list is basically a field where you select, where you basically have a parent and a child, and based on the value that you select in parent, you will have the child's select list options filtered. For example, if you have this issue that you can see right now on the screen, we do have this hardware category, which is basically a cascading select list. So basically, if I select surface, the next field will then allow me to select either Pro 1, Pro 2, or Surface Pro, or whatever. So basically, you have multiple options here. So this is one example of cascading select list, or you can look at this similar field called cascading select list. That is the name of the field because I wanted to show you how it works. Now, let us say you want to basically update this using an automation. So I've covered this in one of my video where I believe if I go to my site, my wonderful site, ravisagar.in, cascading, and if I maybe search for the the videos. So basically I have a couple of videos here, but today I want to show you something which is even more simpler. So let us say you want this value to be set based on a post function. So using post function, you can actually set values. I mean, it is possible. And of course, I'm talking about cloud, because on cloud, you do have few post functions that are different. So let us go to the workflow. And what I will do, I will open my workflow here. I will edit it. And what I wanted to show you is, let us say you have a transition. I'll probably go to the diagram mode so that it is much more simpler for you to see what I'm trying to show you. So let us say the moment you start the progress, you want to set the field value. It could be any transition, by the way. So just an example. So if you click on in progress and go to post functions, you may have some post functions already, which I do have, but I want to actually create a new one. So when you click on add post function, you will have the option here called update issue custom field. And if you click on add, you will then have the option to select what you want to set. So the field name is hardware. Where is my field? Hardware categories. And the way cascading select list works here is you need to specify the child. You can see the note here. You can basically specify the ID of the child option, and based on that, the parent will of course be automatically set. So if you go to one of your issue where we do have this issue that I wanted to show you, let us open this one, AN-273. So right now the status of the issue is, I guess, to do. So, and the hardware category is none. So the moment we move this issue to maybe in progress, we want to set the field value. So what I want to do is I want to first check the field value here. So maybe if I select surface, I then have maybe Pro 1, Pro 2. So let us select Pro 2. So if you specify Pro 2 here, your custom field value will be set to Surface Pro 2. I'll probably clear it so that we can check it properly, and that is all you need to do. Now click on the add, and of course make sure the value is correct or valid value that you have to specify. You can also specify the ID of that particular option, which you can always figure out by going to custom field configuration, and you can save a backup of your workflow. But no, I don't really want to do it. Thank you very much. And we are now ready. So this is the issue. And if I click on hold, no, not on hold, in progress, Let us see what happens. Hopefully it will work. If you do some mistake, you will probably get a message here and assign to me, whatever you want to do in this transition screen. And you must have noticed this Surface Pro added. If you don't believe me, let us maybe take a look at another issue and let us try it again. And this is something that, of course, we are doing it using post function. You don't have to use a post function here. You can also do these things using automation rules or any other way, maybe script runner, for example, create a listener if you want to. But of course, we wanted to see how it works. And now again, it's not really a difficult thing to do, but if you're talking about cascading select list, you have to basically specify the child, which is more important that I wanted to show you. So let us do it for one more issue in progress, and we will wait for, come on, pop-up screens, transition, and hardware category. Yes, it appears now. And that is it. That is all I wanted to talk about today, and I wanted to show you this interesting thing to all of you. I hope you learned something new today and you also found this video useful. Thank you very much. Bye bye.